Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making this gorgeous, beautiful looking black forest cake. If you like chocolate cake, cherry and whipped cream in one package, this is for you. This cake is so moist and super delicious. And I'm definitely sure black forest cake will be favorite for many of you like me. First thing first, let's prepare the cake tin by lining the parchment paper. Take parchment paper and cut it as per the size and shape of the tin. I'm just spraying sunflower oil and spreading it evenly. Now place the butter sheet or parchment paper over the greased tin. We have to spray oil onto the butter sheet and spread it evenly. I have taken 8-inch round tin and gonna make 2 chocolate cakes. You can use one 8-inch cake tin and slice the cake into 2 pieces. It's completely up to your choice. Our cake tin is ready now. Let's sift the dry ingredients now. Take Maida or all-purpose flour in a sieve. Add in cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now sieve the dry ingredients. Our dry ingredient is ready now. Beat in the eggs until it turns frothy. Now add in the sugar gradually and continue beating the eggs. Our egg mix will double the quantity and turn pale yellow color. Add in the vanilla essence and beat well. Now I'm adding in sunflower oil little by little and beating it well. This step is very crucial so that our chocolate cake will be so spongy. Our egg mix is ready now. I have taken hot milk to make this chocolate sponge cake. Now gradually add in the dry ingredients and mix well. Once we start to mix the flour mix, we shouldn't be using the electric beater. Meanwhile, add in the hot milk while folding the flour mix. We have to fold in the flour mix gently so that our chocolate cake will be so spongy. Our chocolate sponge cake batter is ready now. I have divided the cake batter equally into the 2 tins. You can bake it in one 8-inch cake pan as well. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. I bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The baking time completely depends on your oven type. A skewer inserted should come out clean. Run a knife along the sides of the cake and flip it to unmold the cake. Our cake is spongy and come out very well. We have to cool the cake completely before frosting it. This is our second cake and now both the cakes are ready. I have taken tinned red cherries to make this cake. This will be soaked in cherry syrup and we'll be using the syrup to soak the cake. You can buy tin cherries from Amazon as well. I have taken the cherry syrup and chopped in few of the cherries. Here comes the whipped cream and I have frozen it for 15 minutes before frosting the cake. I have applied little whipped cream onto the cake board so that our black forest cake will be sturdy. Now I am soaking the cake with the cherry syrup. We are soaking the cake with the cherry syrup so that our cake will be super moist. Let's sandwich the cake with the whipped cream as well as chopped cherries. You can use less or more whipped cream and it's completely up to your choice. I'm just spreading the whipped cream evenly onto the cake. A turntable will be really helpful to frost the cake. Add in the chopped cherries as needed. I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream and whipped it. Now place the second cake on top of it. We have to again soak it with the cherry syrup. Now I am going to cover this cake completely with the whipped cream. I am using a spatula to frost the cake. I normally cover the sides and the top of the cake with the whipped cream and level it with the scraper. Well, this is the scraper and used to smoothen the frosting of the cake. I'm not looking for sharp edges and super smooth because we are gonna cover this cake with chocolate. I have frosted the cake with the whipped cream now. I have milk chocolate here which I'm gonna cover it onto the cake. I like milk chocolate rather than dark chocolate. The quantity of milk chocolate completely depends upon your choice. You can use dark chocolate if you like it. If you want your cake to be more chocolatey, you can add more chocolates. Our cake is now dressed up with the milk chocolate. I have taken whipped cream in a piping bag with a star nozzle and gonna give a flower design on the cake. Now I'm just covering the bottom part of the cake with a small flower shape. Our cake is almost ready now and we are into our final stage. Start the cake with these beautiful cherries. I'm adding few chocolates to give that final look. Isn't it beautiful, friends? And trust me, it does taste delicious. Do try this cake during any celebrations or birthday parties. I'll slice it and show, and look how spongy the cake is. Since this is an oil-based cake, it wouldn't harden when we refrigerate it. My nephew Vivan thoroughly enjoyed this cake, and if you have kids in your family, they are definitely gonna enjoy it. Look at the texture of the cake, it's so spongy and super moist. I would say it tastes much better than we buy from bakeries. Do give a try and let me know how it turned out to you. I'll see you next video. Until then, tada!